Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a checkbox read only, and also I will make it non-editable. And see this checkbox editable, I will make it read only. Now select form option, this menu bar, and here you will find this select option and select annotation and select all of your checkboxes or specific one. I save this 3. Now click right button and select properties dialog box, and properties dialog box, here you will find this read only option, this general option, and check mark this one and close. Now select hand option and see this you cannot edit, and this one, see this one you can change it, and this not change. Yeah, in this way you can make a checkboxes read only. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.